Okay, to get started on our caramel sauce, we're going to put in a half a stick of butter and let it melt. I've tried other ways to make caramel sauce, but to me this is my favorite that I've made. Okay, you just want to let this melt. Okay, now after the butter melts, I've got a cup of dark brown sugar. I like the flavor that the dark brown sugar gives. You just want to mix this up. Now you just want this to kind of mix up really good. Okay, and then you want to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay, I've got this on medium heat. Okay, while it's on medium heat, you just want to make sure you keep stirring it so it won't stick to the bottom. This takes a little bit, but it's well worth it. It's so good. Okay, now since this has started boiling, you want to set your timer for 3 minutes. And then turn your heat down a little bit. You let this boil for 3 minutes. And stirring constantly, so it won't stick to the bottom of the pan. And you definitely want to use a heavy bottom pan for this, just like you would be making fudge. Okay, now after the 3 minutes, you want to turn your heat off. You want to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it up well. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, now after you get the vanilla mixed in, then you just want to get a mason jar or some kind of container and then pour it in there. It's going to be thin until it cools off. This makes a whole jar, a pint-sized jar. This would be great for coffee, caramel apples. I use mine for cheesecakes, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. Yummy, yummy. This is what it looks like. I hope y'all give this a try. Okay, my caramel sauce has cooled off some, so now I'm going to use it to drizzle over my cheesecakes. Just want to drizzle it over. That looks so good. And the more it cools off, the thicker it'll get.